Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add site in Google Chrome using mobile. So to start, open Google Chrome app. Now from here, so go to the part where you see the social media. So here you can see Facebook, YouTube, X, Wikipedia.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
And if you see the plus sign, click on it to add site or to add new site. Now, once you click that, here you can name the site, for example, Instagram. And at the bottom, you can add the URL to that website. So let's say Instagram.com and click on add, and it will be added instantly. You can also reload the page and open the site. So if I click Instagram, so it shows me or it bring me to Instagram website. So once you go back, so you should now see the Instagram logo visible. And that's basically it. So let's add another example. For example, Reddit. So I just type the name. So I type Reddit and for URL, let's say reddit.com. And click on add and it will be added. Click the site and you'll be headed to reddit.com or to Reddit website. And that's basically it. So very easy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.